Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen? Let's talk about Nonstick cookware for 2026. It's not just about cooking without sticking anymore. We have two main technologies, reinforced PTFE and sol gel ceramic. The best nonstick options deliver low-friction cooking with thermal uniformity and chemical purity. Choosing wisely ensures you get durability and great performance. A gold standard set includes 4 key features. First, the coating must be top-notch. Reinforced PTFE is durable, while sol gel ceramic is eco-friendly. Next, the base should be hard anodized aluminum for even heating. Compatibility with induction stoves is crucial, so look for a magnetized base. Finally, ergonomic designs with stainless steel handles offer versatility. We've checked Amazon's top picks. The Tefal Ultimate set is great for beginners, while the Greenpan Valencia Pro is perfect for health-conscious cooks. For reliable performance, choose hard anodized aluminum. Always check for multi-layer applications and vented tempered glass lids to maintain heat and moisture. Maximize your cookware's lifespan with proper care. Avoid high heat, use silicone utensils, and hand wash when possible. Upgrade today to ensure hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Click the link below to find your perfect nonstick set.